Hello, namaste, welcome to my channel Greetero. So how are you? I hope you are doing good. Okay, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you so very much. In the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick card reading is about your power. What is your power? What are your capabilities? That is going to be the reading for today. I'm actually excited for this reading. Okay, so let's see. I also have three groups over here. Remember, these all are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So I have three crystals over here. For group number one, I have fluorite. Okay. For group number two, I have bloodstone. And for group number three, I have citrine. So close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, and then select a group. Okay, the timestamps will be in the listed in the description box. Okay, so yeah, so if you want more time, relax, take a deep breath, and then select. Okay, if you want more time, pause the video also. Okay, so I'll see you. So if you chose fluorite, so let's see what is your power. Okay, your power lies in your heart. Wow, the heart chakra. Okay, so for many of you, your heart chakra might have been closed in the past, and I see in the future you will be opening up your heart center. And when we open up heart center, that's when the magic comes, right? For many of you in the past, you were not listening to your heart. You were always the logical person who used to never trust their heart or something like that. But in the future, I see you will be trusting your heart. You are going to become very compassionate people, very kind, very loving. You will give love to the world. I feel like that. Your love is your power. Your love is your power. I feel like that. Your kindness is your power. Okay, your heart is your power. Your gut, you know, when you trust your heart, you will be able to achieve all the things you want to desire. Okay, you will be able to achieve all the things you desire when you trust your heart. It's like when you follow your dreams. That is your power. You will be able to follow your dreams, and your power is to follow that dream. No, not everyone can follow their dreams, right? You will be that kind of people who will be listening to their heart and going with that. Okay, look, we have stand your ground and spiritual union. With this, what I feel like, in the past, if you were not connected with your heart, you are connecting with your own soul. With the spiritual connection, what I'm getting is you are connecting with your own higher self. Okay, that kind of union I'm getting for you guys. And for many of you, you might be, for others of you, what I feel is like, you might be in union with a person, who is your twin flame or your soulmate, where there is a heart-to-heart connection. For many of you, that can also be happening. I feel like that, and you will be fighting for that love. For many of you, you might have to, maybe you will have to fight for that love, but you will stand your ground. Okay, for many of you, you might be like, your parents might not agree to this relationship. So this is a message to stand your ground, because this is the one. I feel like that, because if your heart is saying that, just go with it, stand your ground. If your heart is saying something, just listen to it, because that is where your power is. That is where you will make your right decisions. Always listen to your heart, always listen to your higher self. You're so connected. For many of you, you're very connected with your higher self, and yeah, you're meant to be with your soulmate. I feel like that, with the spiritual union. So if there are problems between you, if people are coming between you, if your family is between, against this relationship, you need to stand your ground. That is what I feel for you guys. You need to stand your ground, because you know this is the person, right? If you know this is the one, just go with it. Because I feel in this case, you know better than your family. You know better than other people. Okay, that is what I feel like that. I'm getting this infinite symbol. It's like infinite love. You have so much love but at the same time you need to take stand, and you will be doing that. In the past you might had problems taking stand for yourself, but in the future I see you taking stand for yourself, listening to your own heart, your own wisdom, and your own heart will give you the guidance that is needed. Your higher self, you're connected to the higher self, and you need to listen to that. Okay, look, 7 of cups, things are coming together for you guys. Okay, that is also I feel. 7 of cups, 8 of wands, and ace of pentacles. When you listen to that with the 7 of cups, look at this person is so daydreaming, he's so confused, he doesn't know what to do. And when you listen to your heart and go with it, things will take off with this 8 of wands and ace of pentacles. For some of you, if you are very much confused about your career, what you need to do, what you want, if you don't know, this is a message that you need to just listen to your heart, follow your dreams. And when you follow your dreams, things will take off, things will go like will be very quick, and you will be able to get that abundance, that luck. You have that luck, money will be coming towards you. If you're confused about that, okay, I feel this is your message here right now. So your power lies in your heart, and that is a very good power. I feel like that you can connect with your heart center. Whenever you're feeling confused, just go deep within yourself, connect with your heart, and what you hear, that is your answer. Okay, so whenever you're feeling confused, meditate. And for many of you, you know what you want, just go with it. And when you go with it, that is when the success happens. Just listen to your inner guidance, just listen to the voice of your heart, just go with it. That is where your power is. Okay, look, surrender. Yeah, all you need to do is surrender right now. When you surrender to the divine, when you give all your worries to the divine, and just you listen to the voice of that. Your heart is telling you something, just listen to it. That is the thing, because that is the voice of the divine, that is the voice of your higher self that is guiding you. Okay, and when you listen to that voice, yeah, you will see a lot of success. For many of you, you might have trusting your own intuition, you might have problem trusting your intuition. So this is a message to trust your own intuition, and you need to meditate on your heart center. And when your heart center will be open, I feel you're opening up your heart center, you're healing your heart. Maybe your heart has been broken a lot of times in the past, but I feel you're healing your heart center, and you are going, I see you as a person who will be listening to their heart always and going forward with it. And when you do that, you will be successful. Right now, all you need to do is surrender to the divine. Okay, if things are not manifesting for you right now, just surrender to the divine and ask divine what you need to do. They will give you the answer, your heart will give you the answer, and go with it. And if you are fighting for your love, keep on fighting. I don't know, this is the message I'm getting. Keep on fighting, because this is the one you need to be with. Stand your ground. You know it better than other people. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. So this is your message, your heart is your message. Your heart, listen to your heart always, guys, for group number 1. Okay, and when you listen, even if in your career, if you're feeling confused, listen to your heart, what your heart is saying to do. Just go with it, because when you do that, that is when things will take off, for you guys. Okay, so that's it for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 2. If you chose this bloodstone crystal is all about intuition and creativity. Okay, so let's see what is your power as group number 2. Look at that, sacral chakra. Yeah, your power lies in your sacral chakra, in your own creativity. You're very, very creative soul. Okay, even if you're not in a creative business, I feel somehow you have a creativity there. You might be doing things differently from other people, because you are very creative. Your ideas, your inspiration, take that. Okay, because they are divinely guided. And for many of you, you might have struggled with your sacral chakra in the past, like in relationships, or making a relationship work. You are always, maybe you fear about relationship. Maybe in the past you saw your parents fighting or something like that. I don't know, maybe there were problems related to that, and maybe many of you are very afraid to conceive kids or something like that, regarding that. I feel like that. But but that is your power. You're meant to give birth to new ideas. You're meant to give birth to children. I feel like that you will be such beautiful people. You are the healing. I'm getting the Empress vibes right now. The Empress is like the creation. She is the Mother Earth. She creates things. She gives lives to things, right? You are also like that. You're going to give life. You're going to give meaning to things. I feel like that. Okay, you're going to create something that is so unique, and yeah, you're going to create something very unique. That is what I'm feeling. You might be creating something. Yeah, I'm repeating it. I'm sorry. Yeah, that is what I feel. Your creativity is very good, your creative soul, and follow your creation, follow your passion, guys. And when you follow that, you will be the most successful. But in the past, I feel many of you might be discouraged. Maybe your parents have discouraged. Maybe you're a very good artist, or maybe your parents have told you that artists will not make that much money, or your creation will not work, and because of that you might have struggled. But now I see that you're healing your sacral chakra. You're you're going to believe in your creation. Okay, if you're not believing in your creation, believe in it, because it's wonderful, because you have that power. You're such creative and beautiful soul. Okay, yeah, we have heartache and loss, and look at that, you have universe here. It's like completion of a major cycle, like completion of that heartbreak and loss. Yes, maybe in the past I feel like that you might have gone through a period where people have like let you down. Maybe they have told that you're not worthy, like your creation will not be successful. Or for many of you, you might have even endured abuse or something, like childhood abuse, and that might have put a toll on you, right? And because of that, you might have problem with your sacral chakra. Okay, but I feel in the future you will be healing your sacral chakra. Maybe you're healing right now. I feel like that it's like completion of cycle. For many of you, you might have healed and you're taking your step forward. You're believing in your creation, so just go with it. Go with it. You're meant to create something unique. You're meant to meant to do something different from others. Okay, so believe in your artistic abilities. Believe whatever your abilities you have, believe in it. Don't allow sometimes what happen, because of other people, we don't follow our passion. Don't let that happen. Okay, follow your passion. The universe is saying to follow your passion. It's time. The cycle is ended. Now you don't have to go back. You're not going to your past anymore. Okay, remember that. Okay, your past is over, and now you're not going, because you have crossed the threshold. Okay, now you're not going to go back, because you have learned your lesson. Now it's important to trust in yourself, trust in the universe, have faith, and just believe in your own creation. Okay, so that is what I feel like that. Look, we have Four of Swords energy here. Right, definitely with this Three of Swords, then Four of Swords means you're healing. You're healing your past. You're healing your traumas. Maybe in the past, your father, mother might have divorced, or maybe in your family people used to argue a lot, and because of that you had problem there. Creative, or maybe you have like thinking that marriage will never work for you because of that. Because of where you grew up, the environment might be not so good, and because of that you had problem, but you are ending that cycle. The good news is you're ending that cycle, you're healing, and now you're understanding that it's them. It's not the marriage. The marriage is not the problem. It's that they were not able to accept themselves, or it's their problem. It's not your problem. You can have a good married life. You can also have kids. Maybe you had problem. You were thinking that you will not be able to do it because you have seen your parents always fighting or something like that, or maybe you have gone through abuse, and because of that you had that feeling that you will not be able to marry or have kids. But you are healing that, and you're believing in yourself. You're believing, like I feel like you're getting empowered. You're loving yourself, self empowerment. I feel like that finally. Okay, finally healing all the past wounds and moving towards a beautiful future. Definitely a cycle has ended, and now you're gonna go to a new direction where you will be believing in your own creation. Yeah, look, the other two cards, Nine of Pentacles and Queen of Wands energy, guys. Look at the colors. We have yellow and orange, and again we have that yellowish and orange color, right? So yes, You're going to make it big, guys. I have to say it. Through your creation, you are going to make it big. Maybe for some of you, you might be yeah, like a business or something like that, and that will grow. A creative business, I'm getting a home business, a creative business with this Nine of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. Look at that. You're going to be in your power. Okay, you're going to be independent. Maybe in the past you always feared that you will never be independent, you will not be able to make money or something like that. In the future, I see you making so much money. Okay, guys, like your creation will be so successful. You will be enjoying life, you will be loving yourself, and you will be with this Queen of Wands energy. You're going there. You're not going to take crap of anyone. You will be like, I don't care what others say about me, because in the past you might have struggled with that, but in the future you will be like, I know who I am, and I will make a legacy. That is what I feel like, that creating a legacy for yourself, creating something from scratch and making it big. Okay, so that is what I feel like, that with Nine of Pentacles and Queen of Wands, you're gonna make it big. And look at the sunflower. I'm very attracted to that. Sunflower is all about that growth, right? That abundance, that and we have this like Leo energy is coming here strong. Like, yeah, the passion you have, you will be following your passion. I'm getting the CEO vibes also from you guys. You might be making it big. Okay, if you haven't made it yet, you will be making it, because you're healing that. You're healing your past completely. You're healing your traumas. You're healing your sacral chakra. Your power is in your sacral chakra. Your power is in your creating something from scratch and making it big. That is what I feel for you guys. Okay, so yes, you're gonna create a legacy with this Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. I feel like that, and that will be look, acceptance. Yes, you're accepting yourself, and when we accept ourselves, and you're accepting that it was not your problem that things went like that in the past. Maybe you were told in the past that it's your problem, because of that you are not able to make it big. Or maybe in the past you never accepted yourself because of the abuse you had. Or maybe I feel like that you might have gone through some abuse in your life, maybe mental abuse, maybe verbal abuse, whatever it is, maybe physical abuse, and because of that you have never accepted yourself. But finally I'm seeing you accepting yourself and transforming, and your transformation is big, guys. You're going to make it big. Trust, believe. If you have this idea, take that idea, go with it, because that will be very, very, very successful for you guys. Yes, you have gone through a lot of things, lot of heartache, lot of losses. Maybe your relationship hadn't worked out, maybe you have gone through divorce, maybe you have lost someone, maybe you have this childhood abuse or childhood trauma. Whatever it is, you are finally completing that cycle, and finally you're coming in your power, and your power is in your sacral chakra. Your power is in your creation. Like the Empress energy, she can create anything, right? Our Mother Earth creates everything, right? So that is what I feel like that. But this, even though you are like powerful people, at the same time you are accepting. I feel you have this sense of acceptance also. Like you're very kind also. I'm feeling these all things have made you so kind, so compassionate, and because because of your past you have endured so much, and you will be very compassionate to other people who are going through the same things you have gone through. I'm getting that. And you will be and because of your legacy, I feel you will be giving so much of motivation to other people and making them accept them. Acceptance is so important, right? Accepting ourselves the way we are, loving our each part of the body, it's so important, right? And I feel nowadays people struggle with that, like accepting themselves. And you will be like a person who other people will be looking up to you and like, yes, this is what I want to become. That kind of energy, because you're so strong. Yeah, very that is what. So your cycle is ending, guys. Like your future is bright, I have to say that. And your power lies in your creation, your passion. Just follow your ideas, your creativity. Go with it, guys. No one can stop you. Okay, bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 3. If you chose the citrine crystal, then let's see what is your power. Okay. Oh, we have throat chakra here. So your power lies in your throat. That is your communication skills. So that is where your power is. So if you're now thinking, oh no, I'm not good at communicating, I feel you're yet to realize your own power here. So for many of you, I feel you might be good singers. Your voice might be very healing. And in the past you might have struggled to speak your truth, but but you know, I feel you will be realizing your own self-worth. You are meant to realize your own self. You're meant to learn that, and you're meant to speak your truth, and through this you will be making other people learn that. Okay, I feel like through your own challenges, your own emotional phases, you will understand who you are, what you are meant to do, and you might be sharing your story to other people. I feel like that you might be sharing your story to other people. You might be sharing your ideas, thoughts, communication. Like, that is what I feel like, that communication, right? You might be communicating your story, and with that, you will be helping other people. You might be giving like giving light to other people. If yeah, that is what I feel like that. Okay, for many of you, you might be speakers. Okay, you might be speaking, you might be motivational speakers, or you might be authors, you might be writing books, you might be blogging. In some way you might be communicating your truth. Okay, you might be for some many of you, you might be realizing your own self. And if in the past you were afraid to speak your truth, I see in the future you will be speaking your truth. You will not be afraid to do that. And you know what, your main power is no one. When we love ourselves, when we accept ourselves the way do you know, when we accept ourselves completely, then no one can take us down, because we understand ourselves better. We listen to ourselves, right? We listen to our intuition, and when we do that, then no one can put us down. No one's else judgment will take us down, because we know who we are, right? So that is what I'm feeling for you guys. That is where you're going. I feel in the future you will not take any people's crap. I feel like that. You know, you are very strong people. And for so many of you, you might be having problem with throat, so meditate there. This is your power. Okay, your ideas, your thoughts. Oh, for many of you, you might be getting messages from the divine, and you're meant to communicate that messages to other people. That can also be your power, right? Meditate, meditate on throat chakra. That will be very good for you guys. That is also, I'm feeling like that. And look at that blue color. It's all about like truth. It's about living your truth. You know, you will be living, you will not be you will be someone who will be telling other people to speak their truth, not be afraid to speak that truth. And if someone's let us down, you know, maybe you were in a situation where you had to live with narcissistic people, and at that time you were not able to speak your truth, and now you understand it's how important it's to take stand for you know, when we don't take stand for ourselves, who will take stand for us, right? So that is very important. So you might be teaching that to other people. I feel that is your power. Okay, if you, yeah, I don't know if you have realized your power or not, but that is your power. Your throat, your ideas, your communication, the mercury. That is what I feel, the mercury, right? Yeah, that is what. Oh, speaking of mercury, we have awareness. We have magician card. Magician is also about like giving our thoughts, ideas to universe. Like, you are very powerful manifestors. Okay, I have to say that you can manifest anything you desire to, guys. You have every tools. You will be provided with every tools, and you can connect with the universe. You are positive. If you are very positive about something, and you will be like, yes, I will do it, you will be able to do it. No one will be able to stop you. Okay, if you believe in something, you will be able to manifest it. Okay, that is your power. Okay. Wow, we have Ace of Wands. Look at the numbers, 1 1 and solitude. Okay, I feel for many of you, it's important to trust yourself first. with the solitude card, you have lot of divine wisdom. Okay, your light is shining from inside. Okay, and I feel for many of you, if you have gone through a lot of emotional phases, this is where when you realize your own worth. This is where when you took stand for yourself. In the past, I don't see you taking stand for yourself. You might be very fearful people, where if someone says anything to you, you will not talk back. That kind of people, you will not speak your truth. That kind of people I'm feeling. But now you're changing. Now you know who you are. Now you are understanding through this solitude journey. So for many of you, you are going to see the light. Okay, soon. That's like major ending is happening. You have learned a lot of lessons. Okay, you have learned a lot of lessons. Look at the star. Yeah, the star is coming out. Your wish is going to be fulfilled. I feel like that for many of you. And through your stories, you will be helping other people. You might be talking about law of attraction. You might be teaching law of attraction to other people. Who knows what you will be doing? But definitely you are meant to take stand for yourself. You are meant to speak your truth. You're meant to give your ideas to the world, to help people, right? This is what you're meant to do. You're meant to speak your truth. Right? And for many of you, you get divine ideas. Okay, you get a lot of ideas, a lot of communication from the divine. And because of when you get that ideas, yes, use it. Right? Don't doubt it. Trust your intuition, guys. And so yeah, that is what you're powerful manifestors. That is your power, I have to say. Look, 10 of Cups, you're meant to have a good family life. I feel like that. Okay, your family is your power. I feel like for many of you. 4 of Wands, for many of you, you might be working from home. I don't know. With the solitude card also, you might be having a home business or something. Maybe you do YouTube through home, something like that also I'm getting. Ace of Cups. Okay, so look, 1 1 1, we have 3 ones, so new start. Yeah, wow. For you guys, I feel for many of you, if you're single, you might meet someone. You might meet someone, and things will take off, and then you will marry this person and you will have kids with this person. I don't know, but that is what we'll look at. That Ace of Cups, 4 of Wands, 10 of Cups. So what I have to say, right? Really, I feel like that for many of you, and your family will be your power. You will be helping. I feel your relationship will be mutual, where you will be the strength. You will be you will be giving so much support to other people. You will be giving support to your spouse. You will be through your ideas, through you are very positive people also. I feel like that you will even if a challenge comes in your life, you will be like, no, we can go this way. This is the positive. You will be positive about it. You are not going to be negative about it. You're very positive people, because you know that you can manifest anything. You're so aware of the universe. You're so aware of universal laws that you can create anything. And you will be seeing that in your life, that you can create anything, and you are the creator of your own reality. That is what I feel like that. And you will be supporting your spouse. You will be guiding your children. If you have children already, yes, you will be the mentor to them. I feel like that. You will be giving them a very good life. You will be able to support them through your voice, through your communication. You will be able to support them. You will be able to give that happiness, that materialistic things to them. Okay, so yeah, new ideas, new opportunities will always come to you, because you are so special, because your voice is very you are very unique people, I have to say. And not everyone has this kind of positive outlook to the life, and you're very positive. You're very positive people. Okay, even if you're not feeling that right now, in the future I see you changing. I see a lot of growth for you guys. If you have been introvert in the past, I see that you will be changing that also. You will be socializing more with people. I don't know, but little bit changes there also, I feel like that. But yeah, when you're alone, when you work alone, that is when you will be able to gain a lot of success. I feel like that. Your success comes from your own truth, from self-acceptance, from loving yourself. You might be teaching about self-love. Okay, Yeah, that is what I feel like, that like giving light to other people, helping people through their emotional phase. Okay. And or maybe you will be like relationship counselor or something, where you will bring people together. I feel through your ideas, through your knowledge, people will come together. Okay. That is what I feel for you guys in your life. You are powerful manifestors. You are meant to have a good home life, for sure. You're meant to live with your kids and spouse and have a very good relationship. Even if you don't want to marry, you will be happy wherever you live. You will have a home, you will be happy with your finances. I truly feel like that with this Four of Mozart. I have to say, your cards are so beautiful. And the last card is beauty. Yes, you will be walking in the beauty. You will be seeing, why you will be so successful. The reason is you will see the beauty in everything. Okay, in the future you will be seeing the beauty in everything. You will be seeing the stars and you will be happy. You will be seeing a car and you will be happy. You will be seeing the trees and you will be happy. And when we are here happy at little things, you will be seeing the butterflies and you will be like this child, or going to running and trying to catch the butterfly. That kind of energy I'm feeling from you guys, like a happy soul. And when we are happy, we manifest quickly, isn't it? That is your mantra. I feel like that you will be doing that. I don't know, I feel like you will be doing that. You will be enjoying life. You will not be stressing. If you're like right now, if you are like overthinking about something, stressing about something, I don't see you doing in the future. If you're going through a spiritual transformation right now, yes, you will be understanding yourself. You will be living life joyfully. You will be happiest. I feel you will be some of the happiest people in the world. I don't know what I'm saying. But this is what I feel clearly. You will be enjoying life. You will be seeing the beauty in everything, and doing your work. I feel you work from your heart. Okay, when we work from our heart, when we trust our heart, then we enjoy life. That is what I feel like. And for many of you, I feel you will be giving that to other people. You will be helping other people. You're meant to help other people. You're meant to give that ideas to other people. You're meant to make other people's life easier. And one person can do that only after they have did it themselves, right? So you will be doing that, isn't it? You will be enjoying your life, and people will be like, oh my god, she's lucky, she's just lucky, he's just lucky. No, you're not lucky. You're making your life like this. You're making your dreams come true. You're the powerful manifestors, and that is your power. Your throat chakra is your power. You're speaking your truth, accepting yourself, communicating your ideas, thoughts are your power. Okay, so that is your power. Okay, and enjoying little things in life, that is your power. No one, everyone cannot do that, right? So yeah, and definitely in the future I see a lot of growth for you guys. A lot of inner transformation, a lot of knowledge, a lot of divine wisdom, a lot of happiness, actually, a lot of stability, a lot of security. I don't know your cards. Look at your cards, guys. That is what I see, and you'll be enjoying the life. Okay, so that's it for group number 1. And you have picked citrine also. Citrine is all about good luck, right? So that's it. Bye bye. Take care, group number 3.